Welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming adventure motorcycles, the 2026 BMW F 450 GS. Designed to bridge the gap between lightweight trail bikes and full-size ADV machines, this bike aims to deliver true off-road capability without sacrificing everyday usability. Design and styling. The BMW F 450 GS carries the unmistakable GS DNA. From the sharp beak-style front, tall windscreen, and aggressive fuel tank lines, this bike looks ready to conquer any terrain. The slim body profile, high ground clearance, and minimalist rear section make it visually lighter and more athletic than its bigger GS siblings. Engine and performance. At the heart of the F 450 GS is a newly developed parallel twin engine, expected to produce smooth and usable power ideal for both city riding and long-distance adventures. BMW has focused on delivering strong, low, and mid-range torque, making hill climbs, overtakes, and off-road riding more confident and controlled. Chassis and suspension. BMW equips the F 450 GS with a lightweight steel frame, paired with long travel suspension designed to handle rough trails and uneven roads. The suspension setup offers excellent shock absorption while maintaining stability at highway speeds. Spoke wheels and dual-purpose tires further reinforce its adventure-ready character. Technology and features. Despite being a mid-capacity ADV, the 2026 F 450 GS is expected to pack modern features like ride-by-wire, multiple riding modes, switchable ABS, traction control, and a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. BMW ensures technology enhances control, not complexity. Comfort and practicality. Ergonomics are designed for long rides with an upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a comfortable seat height suitable for a wide range of riders. Whether commuting daily or touring across borders, the F 450 GS promises comfort without compromise. Final thoughts. The 2026 BMW F 450 GS could become the perfect adventure motorcycle for riders who want real off-road capability with BMW reliability and modern tech. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight, and premium ADV, this bike deserves your attention.